It's winter, ain't it? Bleak, bitter, and crawling with nasty bugs. Don't need a doctor's scroll to know we're gasping for vitamins. So how about a cracking, simple vegetable soup? Cheap as a pint of local, easy as a stroll through eldenroot, and creamy as Bosmer's lullaby. It's surprisingly tasty, packed with greens and vitamins, and blimey, it's the color of the forest glaze. Here's the grub we'll need. One bunch of asparagus, nice and thick stems, mind you. None of that spindly rubbish. One large russet potato. One bunch of Italian parsley. And 1 pint of heavy cream, posh but worth it. Salt and pepper, standard issue. Half an average humble onion, nothing fancy, just solid stock. Oh, and I've got this last scrap of bacon left from the Hawker's Loaf. What's a Hawker's Loaf? Oh, well, that's from my new series, Fantasy Feast, a proper collection of official recipes from Elder Scrolls, Tolkien, Games of Thrones, etc. Right here on the channel. But hold tight, I've got one more secret ingredient up my sleeve at Tamriel's treasure. I'll unveil it when the time's right. Curious? You'll have to stick around, won't you? Now, this soup is not an official Elder Scrolls dish, but blimey, it could easily bubble away in Eldenroot, the heart of the Bosmer's Wood Elves, a capital city in Grathwood. It's got that tree-hugger appeal, green, earthy, and wild as a Valen would take it, don't you think? Still, since it's not the official cookbook, it won't make the fantasy feast, but it could slip in there quite cheekily. Let's crack on with the cookout. Peel that potato, chop it into small cubes, think north-sized bites, and plop it in a pot. Cover with water, set it boiling, this will be our potato broth, so don't chuck that water when the tater is soft, or I'll hunt you down like the drugger. Put a kettle on to boil in case you need to thin the soup. Meanwhile, wash and dice your asparagus, parsley, and half of that onion. Toss the veg and that pint of cream into the blender and make a smoothie. Mind, all that veg might not feed first, but once you blitz the 3/4, there'll be room for the rest. Nearly there, time for the secret ingredient, the Imperial Seasoning. What's that, you ask? Check the first video in my Fantasy Feast playlist, I'll give you the scoop on the proper Tamriel twist. The potato is soft now, fish it out, give it a good mash, and plonk it back into the broth, followed by that veg smoothie. Bring it all nearly to boil and then kill the heat. Soup's ready in about half an hour, but true to form, in this method, it will be even better on the morrow, like the fine mead left to breathe. While the soup is stewing, I'll whip up my garnish with that lonely bit of bacon, crisp it up Bosmer style for that final flourish. And here we have it, our unofficial Wood Elf soup, as hearty as Tamriel's winter tale. Enjoy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.